here. So today I'm going to be making a tutorial of how I do my original / based off of Christina Grimmie style makeup look, where it's basically a good base, filled in brows, lots of eyeliner, mascara, and eyeshadow, pink cheeks, and pink shiny lips with a lipstick. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is, at least with my skin, some people like to use primer, some people do, some people don't. I don't use a primer with this certain foundation that I'm using. Today I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. But before I do that, I'm going to be putting on the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and get my mirror. And this is what the mirror looks like. You can see my phone. And it's a nice mirror that closes up. So I'm going to go ahead and get my sponge damp. I forgot to get my sponge, so one sec. Okay, so I got my sponge damp, and now the first thing you want to do is apply the concealer. So as you can see, it comes with a little applicator like that, and you just roll it on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm just going to use my mirror to apply it. And then what you want to do is you want to take your sponge and you want to blend it out. You want to apply your foundation. And you want to use your sponge for this. This is the sponge that I'm using. A little stained here and there, but it works. And I'm using, as I said before, the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and it comes in a pump. It's quite dirty because I've been using it, but and then you want to apply this on your sponge. And you want to start applying this all over your face. Now that I got the concealer and foundation on, it's time to put on powder. So the powder that I use is the Physicians Formula powder in the color Buff Beige. And I just use this to apply like that with the sponge. Okay, so now you want to fill in your eyebrows. So what I normally do is I don't really use a spoolie to brush my hair because I don't have one. I don't really use a pencil. I just use, because I've got black hair and I want my eyebrows to match my hair color, I just use a black eyeshadow and then fill it in with a small detailed brush. So if I were to bring it out, then I use the MAC eyeshadows, and I would be using, in my case, this dark one right here. See? That one. And then I also use, for the actual brush, I'll use a small detailed brush, as you can see. See? And I simply just fill it in. So I take this, I take the brush, I get a little bit of on there. Then I take my mirror and I simply just fill it in. So now what you're going to want to do next is apply the eyeshadow. So we're going to be applying eyeshadow on the lower lash line, and then I'm going to be applying eyeliner on the upper lash line, liquid eyeliner on the upper lash line. But you're not going to want to wing it out. You're just going to want to leave it rounded so your eyes seem rounder at the sides. And then you're going to want to put on mascara or pop on lashes. I don't use fake lashes. I only use mascara. But the mascara that I do use is a very good mascara. And I got this from Tati Glam Life Guru. It's called the Voluminous Lash Paradise. And this mascara is the best mascara I've ever used ever in my whole life. And I've used quite a bit of mascaras. So, what you're going to want to do is get a detailed brush out. So, in this case, the brush would be something like this. See? Detailed brush. So you would use to put on the lower lash line the eyeshadow. So it's gonna be a black eyeshadow. And it's gonna have some shimmer to it, so it gives your eyes a little bit of a sparkle. But I'm gonna go ahead and wet this brush, and then I'll be back. I wanna wet this brush, and I'm just gonna use a water bottle like this, spray bottle. You want to wet it just a little bit. Then you're going to want to dip it in here. See? Dip it in. And then simply just drag it across your eyes. You're going to want to line a thin in the inner corner on the top lash line, the eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and then make it slightly thicker as you go out, and don't wing it, just end right here. And the eyeliner that I'm using today is the Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner. This is what it looks like, and it's in the color black. So this is what the tip looks like, as you can see. And you're going to want to do this in your inner corner, and then make it stop here. So you're going to want to do that, and I'm going to do this off camera, and I'm also going to do my mascara off camera. The mascara, to put it on, it's very simple. I can even show you what the brush looks like, just so you know. The brush looks like this. It looks like this, as you can see. It's a hourglass brush. And I'm just going to apply this to my eyes. Okay, so I applied the eyeliner on the top lash line, as you can see, and then I applied mascara. So now the last few steps are to just apply blush and a lipstick. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some blush. And the blush that I'm using as my favorite blush, because every girl has got to have at least one good blush. And my favorite blush is a Physicians Formula Happy Go Mood Boosting Blush, I believe. The brush I'm going to be using is this Mary Kay blush brush. I've been using this brush for years, since I first started putting on makeup. And let me tell you, honey, it is a good brush. So you're just going to want to dip it in, blow off the excess, and then smile. Cheeks are pink. And now for the last step, the L'Oreal Shine Riche lipsticks. This is what it looks like, and this is the number 922. And you're just going to want to apply this all over your mouth generously. And we're done. That was the last step. Let me go ahead and show you guys the finished look. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you enjoyed the makeup look. This is my, I wouldn't call it everyday, because normally when I do everyday makeup, I don't apply eyeshadow on the lower lash line, but this is what I do for my everyday makeup, with a little bit of a flare and edge with the lower lash, and I'm having the eyeshadow look like so, smudged all over the lower lash line to give it a heavy, strong look. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I'll be making more speed paint singing videos, Christina Grimmie challenge, makeup videos, and more tutorials in the future for art stuff. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said before, I love you guys and I hope you're having a great day. God bless, keep praying, keep going, you're strong. Bye! Mwah.